Get the floss wrapped around your finger so you control it, and then what you need to do is just to push it between the teeth, as will be shown on the video here. There are many types of floss. There are wax floss, there's tape. Generally most hygienists recommend a tape because it's easy to control, and often these are impregnated with fluoride so they have a nice taste to them. So you have to force the floss down in between the teeth, so often it's quite tight, and then once you've got through the gap, you push it against one side of the tooth or pull it against the other side of the tooth and use an up and down motion, not a sawing motion, because this can do more harm than good. So if you haven't done it for a while, like most things, there's a bit of a learning curve, so it's a lot easier if you just try on the front teeth first and then gradually work your way around to the back teeth. Videos within the app explaining why you need to do this, and that the bleed